Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer any files from your iPhone to your OPPO Reno 7 or any OPPO Reno 7 series like Pro or Lite. So in order to do that, we'll need to open the App Store on our iPhone and Google Play Store on our OPPO. Here we'll need to search for an app on both of devices. Send anywhere. It's this app right here, and the same thing here. Now press on the app, start downloading. So here it is already done. We can open it, accept and confirm, then continue, grant file access, and change to receive, since we'll be sending files from iPhone to our OPPO. So this phone will receive the files. Now open it on our iPhone. Here we'll need to grant and allow more access than on our OPPO. Like that, and we can select the files that we want to send. So here let's press send, go to videos, contacts, files, and you can select any file that you want to send. So I'm just gonna pick 3 photos, then press send. And we can see this code right here, which we can enter right here in order to receive the files. We can also scan QR code or share the files with the link. So let's go for the code, because I think that's the simplest way to do it. Press OK. And we should start receiving files after giving another access on our iPhone. Now let's open this folder, and we can see the 3 files that we've just sent it. And we can access them on our phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.